Hello everyone. We'll talk about the data type that is known as date time. Uh, and without any further delay, we're going to get started. The date type variable can be explained by three different data types, which is known as the data type, then POSIX, POSIX, which is known as POSIXct, and then POSIXlt. For example, if we want to take the variable as simple date without worrying about the time zone or the time, then we will have to take the date variable in the form of a string, as we can do it here. We can use the function which is known as.Date. We can save it to this variable which is known as d, and when I find out the class of it, we can see that it is telling me date. But when I find out the type of it, then it's giving me double, because within this variable, the date variable has been counted as a specific number of days uh, in the form of a numeric variable. So that's an interesting way how the date variable is saved. We can save the date as POSIXct date timestamp, which will have the an hours, minutes, and second into it. For example, if you can see, if we have the information in this format as a string, and we can also specify the time zone, we can use the function as.POSIXct and save it into any object, as I have saved it into ts_ct. And when I find out the class of this variable, then it's giving me POSIXct, POSIXlt. Within the same variable, what I can do is that I can take the object ts_ct and use the function as.POSIXlt and save it into another object which is known as ts_lt. And there's an interesting thing about it. When I run this function on the code, and what I can do is that I can separate the hours and working days and other different aspects from the date time information. So this is some brief discussion about the date time. It has much more details, which we may cover in some of the later sessions. Take care for now.